Selling like hotcakes, unveiling the secret to popular phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression: sell like hotcakes. Have you ever wondered what makes hotcakes sell so well? Or why we even use this phrase? Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind this popular saying and how you can use it to spice up your English conversations. The phrase, sell like hotcakes, refers to something selling out very quickly and in large quantities, almost as soon as it is made available. It's used to describe products, services, or any items that are extremely popular and in high demand. The imagery here is of hotcakes, or pancakes, selling rapidly at a breakfast stall, too hot and fresh to stay on the plate for long. Interestingly, the expression, sell like hotcakes, originated in the United States in the 19th century. During that time, hotcakes were a popular item at church bake sales and fairs, known for selling out quickly due to their popularity and delicious taste. This context gave birth to the phrase, which has since been used to describe any fast-selling item. To help you understand how to use this phrase in real-life conversations, let's look at some examples. The new smartphone model is selling like hotcakes. It's almost impossible to get one now. As soon as the concert tickets were released, they sold like hotcakes. This author's books always sell like hotcakes. They're very popular. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be applied to various situations, emphasizing the high demand and quick sales of an item or service. While sell like hotcakes is the most common expression, there are variations that convey a similar meaning. Phrases like selling like crazy, flying off the shelves, or going like hotcakes are also used to describe something that is very popular and selling fast. Each variation adds a bit of flavor to the conversation, allowing you to express the same idea in different ways. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, sell like hotcakes. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also given you insight into the fascinating origins of everyday expressions. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words but understanding the stories and cultures behind them. Thank you for watching, and we hope our videos are selling like hotcakes in your journey to mastering English.